Hey everyone, Codex here. Today we are going to go over Polkadot or DOT, just doing some technical analysis and taking a look at where the price could actually go over the next few weeks given this dominant bearish momentum that we are currently experiencing. So if that's something you are interested in and you find these videos helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video and click on that bell icon so you get notified when I upload a new video. Also, I just wanted to announce that we just made a Patreon account where we'll be posting a risk metric dashboard, custom charts, my own portfolio updates. You'll also see what I buy and sell, and all of this for only €9 a month. So check it out if you are interested, of course. And now, without further ado, let's get into this. So Polkadot has been quite controversial in the last 4 months, and that's simply because since our peak at $55 in November, the price has actually been doing nothing but dropping down, which has caused a lot of fear. And I do understand the fear of some of the investors, especially those that bought around this area, because frankly, it's not that easy to endure the stress and the pressure of seeing your portfolio go down 60 or 70% in a matter of months. Now, Polkadot is currently in this high volume node. What a high volume node means is simply a zone, or let's call it a node, where there is usually a great deal of activity on both the buy and sell side. And these areas generally act as a magnet where the price spends a significant amount of time. And you can clearly see that. Look, DOT has spent a substantial amount of time in this area, in this node, in the last 400 days. We first came in here at the start of last year, where this node played the role of a strong resistance for about 15 days. We came in here again in the summer of last year amid the crash, and you can see that as soon as we dropped below it, the next support level was right here around the next high volume node. And typically, when the price drops from a high volume node like this one, the next support level tends to be the next high volume node, because you really don't find a whole lot of interest from investors in these low volume nodes. Investors aren't willing to pay to buy the coins at these prices, and so the price just keeps on going down. And this is what worries me, because DOT is currently struggling. We can't deny that. And if we can't manage to go up again above this $15 to $90 level and remain higher, then we will most likely revisit the next high volume node coming in between 8.5 and 10.5 bucks. And we don't want that. We don't want to see that. We really don't want to experience something similar to what we had right here and to see the price drop, because if that happens, it will be tough to regain the control again. Now, if we take a look at the Gaussian channel, we can see that DOT's price is actually below it, which is a bearish sign. If we go all the way back to the start of 2021, we can see how DOT was above the Gaussian channel throughout the entire bull run. And as soon as it went below it, as soon as our price went below it, we entered this long and lasting bearish phase that lasted for about 3 months, and we are currently experiencing the same exact thing. After the summer's crash, DOT managed to rally again and go from $10 all the way up to 55 bucks before going again below our Gaussian channel, which has indicated a shift in the momentum and a change in the trend. And since that time, it seems like Polkadot has been struggling, and as long as we are below our channel, we can't really talk about a bull run. We can't really mention a bullish cycle. I see people talking about a $100 DOT, or some are even going for the $1,000 DOT claims, which is crazy to be honest. But guys, we must be objective. We can't even manage to go above 20 bucks now, let alone $100. I don't hate DOT or anything like it. I think it's a good project. I even said it multiple times in my Telegram channel. But thinking that a coin that is struggling to go above 20 bucks will go to 1K in a matter of months, like some YouTubers are claiming, is nothing but delusional. Also, if we take a look at the Stochastic RSI on a weekly time frame, we can see that both the blue and orange line are still struggling to go up. And we don't have an upward pressure yet on the macro scale. Yes, on the daily time frame, we have seen this short-term move to the upside, but that's nothing. That means nothing, because macro scale, things still look bearish. And as long as the two lines are below the level of 20, the control remains in favor of the bears. I know that this is a rough time for holders out there, and some of you are slowly losing hope, and I can't blame you, but all I can say is that historically speaking, accumulating in times when others are fearful and when others are selling has always been a good approach long term. This was about it, guys, for Dot today. Don't forget to leave the video a thumbs up. Also, make sure to check the link down below where you can get a discount, a $50 discount on your decent hardware wallet. Have a nice day and peace.